Imisi.
This guy is so crazy, bro. I don't want to look like she get. Or most people for real.
Ṣé Imisi padà kiss you?
What the fuck?
Sorry about that. Hey, because láti inú ilé, ọmọ mi fẹ́ sharp girl. Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́nu sá.
Ben.
Àbí? Èyí ṣe wá sá.
And they will show you all these things. Ọ̀rẹ́ ni mo fẹ́. Mi ò fẹ́ kó lọ beyond ọ̀rẹ́.
Kí à ń ṣe kí máa lọ sí
gbogbo. So ọ̀rẹ́ ni mo fẹ́.
Ẹ fẹ́ máa ṣe collabo.
Yes.
Wow, wonderful.
So and if you watch the show multiple times, ẹ máa rí pé our ní conversations. Ní
lánàá yẹn.
No, and mo sọ pé look, mo respect her, you are very talented. Ṣùgbọ́n mi ò fẹ́ nǹkan tó lọ beyond friendship. I respect so, and the problem is maybe along the lines any misunderstandings here were buried.
Okay.
Because
shine the torch, ẹ̀yin off the lights. Ta ló tanná, ta ló paná.
Ó wá rí pé ó wá dàbí pé mo wà very mean. Torí pé mi ò fẹ́ nǹkan
tó ń gbé bọ̀ wá fún.
And you know sometimes people handle rejection in different ways.
Ó wà bossy, ó rude, ó ní pride. Irọ́ ni jàre, èèyàn tó jẹ́ nìyẹn.
Tí n bá sọ pé kí everybody lọ wash plate more. I'm not trying to say I'm controlling you to wash your plate. Only reason tí mo ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ because tí a bá fọbọ́ flies. Eṣinṣin máa ń bo kitchen yẹn. Báwo ló ṣe máa jẹ́? Okay, so you're cooking food in a kitchen that is covered in flies. Now when someone gets sick, nobody's going to remember that we could have prevented this by simply washing our plates.
Now,
yes, and so for the average viewer, Big Brother cannot show you everything. You don't live in the house. But me, I know what I saw in the house that made me say, everybody go and wash your plates. Yes, we even had a contestant, don't need Lati, Rolosile, because baby sick. I don't know if you remember. Only contestant control. It's like there's so many things that happen in there and they won't tell you why. You can want lossy freezer. Look, be 5 fishes.
5 fishes. See, just to feed the 1,000 people.
Yeah. And then the baking here, no week tea, nobody. So mindset meaning if you will not agree for the sake of every other person, then you're not going to eat that. She now came to start dragging it with me. I was not the one, so I was holding it. She was the one that came to drag it from my hand. So like the show doesn't show you everything. And so if I begin to explain a lot of the things that happen on the show, you realize that there's a lot of nuance to the behaviors that you see. But at the same time, it's entertainment. Miokin Shishek Balu, alcohol brands, gambling brands. Reason, me believe, our brands here, mo fẹ́ kí àwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé mi.
Tó ń wò yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwòkọ́ṣe.
Yes. Unfortunately, our brands here ló máa ń sọ owó tó
pọ̀ jù.
Ó ní àwọn deals tí mo ti turn down tó ní serious cash.
Okay, kẹ́ tó wọnú ilé.
Yes.
Any peaceful life. Ní ibẹ̀ ṣe sọ. Ṣé lẹ́yìn tẹ́ wá kúrò nílé life yóò wà ní peace mọ́ ni?
Ó ní kan tí Àṣàkẹ́ máa sọ, celebrity life, you know, easy.
Pé wọ́n ní wà máa lọlé. Ìyẹn bí disqualification because ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn jà ràn nígboro.
My reaction in that scenario was what sent me home.
Ètò ńlá ti dé, ètò bàbá ètò. Oyin mama. Ètò ńlá ti dé, ètò bàbá ètò sẹ́. Oyin mama. Ẹ pè é kí n gbọ́ná. Oyin mama, oyin mama, oyin mama o. Oyin mama. Ẹ pè é kí n túbọ̀. Oyin mama, oyin mama, oyin mama, oyin mama.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ padà sórí ètò wa ètò ìmọ̀ọ́mọ́ náà ló wà lójú amóhùnmáwòrán yín fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé wa gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ ń bá wa wò gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ ń kan sára sí wa ẹ̀yin gangan ni real MVP o ẹ má jẹ́ kán sọ fún yín otherwise ẹ̀yin lẹ̀ ń gbé wa débẹ̀ lórí ètò lẹ́nìí ibi táwa gan tuntun ṣọdẹ tá ti ń ṣọ́kò kiri láti wò pé bros yìí wà ń bí kẹ́ a dẹ̀ ti ń wá wọn ti pẹ́ torí conception tẹ̀yìn èèyàn kan ní ni pé èèyàn burúkú ni bọ̀dá yẹn o bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn kan ní feeling pé kò dẹ̀ ṣe èèyàn burúkú o téèyàn bá torí epo jẹṣu èèyàn ṣáà torí iṣu jẹpo nǹkan kan ló máa fà á tẹ́yìn kan fi rò bóyá èèyàn burúkú ni wọ́n ni mo bá ṣẹ́wọ́ sí Prince Dr. Faith bani bọ̀dá ẹ kọ́ lọ Big Brother lásán ni ẹ máa bọ̀ jàre Dr. Faith Adewale come inside the place on a straight line let people come and hear what you have to say fún ìdí èyí Prince Dr. Faith Adewale tí wọ́n jẹ́ ìkan lára àwọn olùdíje Big Brother Nigeria House tó kọjá lọ àwọn làgbà lálejò ṣe wà dáadáa mo ti padà bọ́ kébù yín Prince Dr.
Ẹ káàsán.
ṣe wà.
Mo wà pa.
Ojú yìí ti ẹ̀ ń dán àwọn èèyàn kan ní Prince ti kúrò Nàìjíríà ọmọlọmọ ó ti gbé lọ.
Mo ti padà.
Ẹ ti padà orin àtọ́ríṣe ni I'm back home I'm back to Nigeria. Ó dà ẹ jẹ́ ká bèrè báyìí ta ni Prince Dr. Faith Adewale kó tó di pé ẹ wọnú Big Brother Naija kí làwọn kan tẹ́ ń ṣe ibo lẹ dàgbà sí ibo la bí yín sí kí làwọn ìrìn àjò yín kí làwọn ìlàkàkà yín that's your struggles ìbáwo gangan ni ìdàgbà yín kó tó di pé bára yín nínú Big Brother.
So life mi jẹ́ nǹkan tó simple tí n bá wà honest. Doctor ni mi. Mo travel out.
Tí kì í ṣe doctor oyè o pé wọ́n fún yín lọ́nọ́rárì o.
Medical doctor.
Oh.
Yeah, so mo study ní Georgia mo dẹ̀ padà sílé kí n wá ṣiṣẹ́. So mo padà ní December 2024. So mo dẹ̀ níṣẹ́ everything was going very fine. Aside from that, mo ṣe iṣẹ́ pàtàkì tí n bá máa ń volunteer.
Okay.
So our places still malnourished children, old people, àwọn nǹkan pàtàkì.
Àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tí wọ́n jẹun dáadáa àtàwọn àgbàlagbà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. So àwọn nǹkan tí mo máa ń ṣe nìyẹn. Mi ò ní ọ̀rẹ́ tó pọ̀. Torí mo travel out when I was very young. I was about 16 years old nígbà tí mo jáde.
Ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rìndínlógún.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Lẹ fi kúrò ní Nàìjíríà yìí.
Yes. So period yẹn ni ọmọdé máa ń nọ̀rẹ́ tó máa ń lọ ayẹyẹ.
Tó máa sọ pé formative stage.
Yes. So formative stage mi ìwé ni mo fi kà. So mo ṣe ìwé tó pọ̀ debate society mo ní trophy bíi 20 ní debate ní Olympiad ní public speaking. Mo dẹ̀ ṣe robotics so a máa ń ṣe programming everything. So ìgbà tí mo fi ṣe àwọn nǹkan yẹn mi ò ní time láti ṣe a lot of social development. But I don't regret it because I'm 25 years old. But I think I'm also grateful for what I've achieved at this age. So before I went into the house, I had a very peaceful life. So ayé mi ó dá kí n má parọ́. Life was okay. So yes, that's that. Okay,
kẹ́tọ̀ wọnú ilé.
Yes.
Any peaceful life. Ní ibẹ̀ ṣe sọ. Ṣé lẹ́yìn tẹ́ wá kúrò nílé life yóò wà ní peace mọ́ ni?
Ó ní kan tí Àṣàkẹ́ máa sọ, celebrity life, easy.
Ẹ̀wù celebrity ti gbé yín wọ̀. Okay. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n padà sẹ́yìn nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ sọ, ẹni medical doctor ni yín.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Bí ọdún mélòó gangan lẹ fi practice medicine?
So I graduated in 2024. So about 1 year. I've spent 1 year outside before I now entered into the Big Brother house.
Oh, okay.
So
time ọdún kan náà.
So time tá wà yìí mo ń prepare láti ṣe àwọn exam kan torí mo fẹ́ travel lọ sí Australia. Yes. Ibẹ̀ yẹn ni mo fẹ́ lọ ṣe career mi sí. But at the same time Big Brother ti fún mi ní opportunities tó pọ̀ ní Nigeria. So I'm still chasing my medical career. It is very important to me. But at the same time, I'm making the best of opportunities tí Big Brother ti fún mi.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká worú àwọn opportunities yẹn torí náà ẹ̀yin náà lè sọ pé Big Brother ti expose yín. Kí làwọn exposition tí Big Brother fún yín? Okay,
so àwọn èèyàn máa sọ pé mo mọ bó ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀.
Okay.
So I can speak very well. Some people call me an orator. So public speaking. Ìyẹn wà ńbẹ̀. So wọ́n máa
wọ́n pè yín láti
sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n máa fún ẹ lówó nǹkan yẹn. That's very good. Acting. I've not done a lot of that, but that opportunity is there. To bá ti build platform àti audience. Ó jẹ́ àwọn brands kankan máa sọ I like ọkùnrin. Ó dá sánsán.
ó dángájá ó dùn ó rẹwà lọ́mọkùnrin.
Yeah, jẹ́ ká fún ní influencing opportunity, branding opportunity. Ìyẹn náà wà ńbẹ̀. Bí mo ṣe wà yìí náà, àwọn other things wà tí mo ń ṣe nínú in the background.
Okay.
Tí mo ma announce later.
Okay.
So those opportunities are there that I'm very grateful for. So.
Ẹ wá jẹ́ kí n béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí ẹ gba àmì ẹ̀yẹ pé ẹ̀yin lẹ wọ aṣọ tó dáa jù ní ayẹyẹ AMVCA tá a ṣe ṣetán yìí. Ṣé a máa sọ wípé ẹ̀yin ni báwo ni àsìkò yẹn ṣe rí fún yín? Mo mọ̀ pé ó máa jẹ́ nǹkan ìwúrí àti pé ṣé fúnra yín lẹ jókòó pé irú aṣọ yìí ni mo fẹ́ wọ̀ o àbí àwọn fans yín ló ti ń ta yín lólobó pé Faith gbòòrò aṣọ báyìí àbí designer yín ló pè pé Faith tí má dẹ̀ gbẹ́rù nǹkan báyìí fún ẹ ó dẹ̀ máa like ẹ o kí ni process tẹ́ fi win ní best dressed?
So before I speak about it, mo fẹ́ sọ pé everybody tó lọ fún event yẹn wọ́n daṣọ wọ́n dángájíá different cultures, Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, Nigeria, rẹwà gan. So event here really makes sense. But apart from that, mo jẹ́ ènìyàn tó wà very intentional. So èmi àti stylist mi àjókòó a dẹ̀ sọ pé okay, kí la lè bring up tó máa wà unique, could also tell a story. So idea yẹn ni pé okay, àwọn èèyàn máa sọ pé Faith ní general vibe like commander military kìíní yẹn. So aṣọ tá create only commander this thing. So the idea for the feathers was someone that can fly above or someone that always triumphs.
I believe I can
fly. Yes. And then so that was the shoulder, and then you could see like don't think about shano. So I feel I want stones. See, I jacket here. Michael Jackson is someone that really inspires me. I'm very inspired by people that work hard. He's talented, yes, but talent is not enough. I need like to fee agbára sí talent. You can work hard. He was someone that did that. So that aspect was also inspired from a lot of his looks. So we took that from there. And I think that was the basic thing that we made. But another very important thing was I'm very grateful to God, but they were very grateful for our fans because voters' choice ni award yẹn. And what really feel
wọ́n dúró ti ìpínlẹ̀ a máa gbé àwọn la ní.
Wọ́n gbé sórí fún mi. And they ensured that it happened, and mo were very grateful for God. Mo were very, very grateful.
So, ẹ wá jẹ́ kí n béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín nígbà tí ẹ wà nínú ilé, ìyẹn nínú Big Brother house. Ó láwọn ìgbà kan tí ìpòrúru ọkàn ṣẹlẹ̀, tension, àìgbọ́ra ẹni yé, misunderstanding pẹ̀lú àwọn akẹgbẹ́ yín. Mo lérò wípé nísìnyí tẹ́ bá wò, tẹ́ bá tún lọ tún àwọn clips kan wò gan àbí tẹ́ bá jókòó, tẹ́ bá ronú àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe ń gbà yẹn. Ṣó láwọn nǹkan kan tẹ́ lérò wípé mi ìbá dẹ̀ ti wá ṣe kíní báyìí, mi ìbá má ṣe báyìí. Kí làwọn kan bẹ́yìn?
So
are there things you would have handled differently?
Benny. So ní situations bẹ́yẹn, context were very important. Èmi jẹ́yàn tí mo máa I believe things should be done the right way. And in that house, whether you believe it or not, plenty of people can be they just want to do things their own way. And when you live with
àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ní wà tí wọ́n pé ẹ fi mí lẹ̀ jẹ́ ṣe bí mo ṣe mọ̀ ṣe.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, and it can work. I believe everybody has a right to do whatever they want to do.
Okay.
But tí actions bá ní consequences for group at large.
Jàzí ìwà tó fẹ́ wù tó bá máa pa àwa tó kù lára.
Èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ ní accountability. So for example, tí n bá sọ pé kí everybody lọ wash plate more. I'm not trying to say I'm controlling you to wash your plate. Only reason tí mo ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ because tí a bá fọ abọ́ flies eṣinṣin máa ń bo kitchen yẹn. Báwo ló ṣe máa jẹ́? Okay, so you're cooking food in a kitchen that is covered in flies. Now when someone gets sick, nobody's going to remember that we could have prevented this by simply washing our plates.
Now,
yes, and so for the average viewer, Big brother cannot show you everything. You don't live in the house. But me, I know what I saw in the house that made me say, everybody go and wash your plates. Yes. We even had a contestant, Tony Lati Rolosile, because baby was sick. I don't know if you remember. Only contestant control. It's like there's so many things that happen in there and they won't tell you why. So if I say, oh, we need to do things a certain way, we need to do it. So another situation that happened in the house was even the kerosene situation where, why did that happen? Because only week kan tí big brother sọ pé a máa fún yín ní oúnjẹ tó kéré. So big brother he wanted to know if we could manage our resources.
Ó fẹ́ rí bẹ́ ṣe lè paramọ́ sí.
Yes. So mo fẹ́ fún yín ní picture kan. Imagine pé gbogbo wa nínú room mi. I need probably 10 boxes of food.
Okay.
Tá bá manage properly, a lè jẹ protein morning and evening. Right? Now, I agree, but I'm a manage kini. Tori, the group is important. And one more thing, outside, tí oúnjẹ bá tán, o lè lọ sọ́rẹ̀, o lè get food. But ní ilé yẹn, tó bá ti tilẹ̀kùn báyìí,
kò sóúnjẹ mọ́.
And in that house, once the food finishes, everybody starts fighting.
Problem, ìṣòro ni. Ebi kì í wọnú kọ́rọ̀ mi wọ̀.
Now, and I want you to realize that head of house ni mini week here. When there's a problem in the house, ọ̀dọ̀ mi ló wà. So to prevent the problem, mo sọ pé oya, ó ní àwọn kan tó máa ń ṣoúnjẹ fún group.
Okay.
Ẹ̀yin lẹ máa wà in charge oúnjẹ yìí, ẹ máa ṣe oúnjẹ fún wa. Reason yẹn ni pé ó ní àwọn kan àwọn man carry, they will take the food, they'll go and hide it so they can eat later.
Wọ́n lọ gbé oúnjẹ pamọ́.
Yes, wọ́n máa di pamọ́. Ó ní àwọn kan, one sitting wọ́n jẹ bí 10 meat, 10 fish. Yes. Láì ṣe wọ̀bìà. And they will show you all these things. But unfortunately, mo wá sọ pé okay fine, kí àwọn èèyàn yìí 3 people ẹ wà in charge. And mind you, throughout that week, mi ò jẹ single protein. Why? Torí mo fẹ́ kí rest of the house kó tó wọn. Yes. So now in mindset mi ni pé tí a bá manage ara wa dáadáa, at least week ma. Now èèyàn kan wá lọ sí freezer lọ gbé 5 fishes.
5 fishes tí Jésù fi feed 1,000 people.
Yeah. And
up to 5 loaf of bread.
I'm not the one that even caught the person.
Ooh.
It was the person's friends that caught her. That person went to go and anytime of phone, so the 3 people they were put in charge kitchen.
Tẹ́ fi ṣàkóso.
Yes, ló wá bá mi pé ọmọ baby ti lọ gbé 5 fish o kò dẹ̀ gbọ́ràn sí mi lẹ́yìn. And when they look back, and so before I have an altercation, I believe in conversations.
Okay.
If you're a reasonable person, I'm a sorrow. Can rub
minds.
Yes. Mo dey try rub minds pẹ̀lú dẹ̀ gbọ́ràn. O dẹ̀ gbé 5 fishes.
Like Assistant Jesus.
Yeah, and then dẹ̀ gbé kini ní week tí nobody. So mindset mi ni pé if you will not agree for the sake of every other person, then you're not going to eat that. Yes. So mindset mi ni pé okay, if I take what you're going to use to cook that fish, lè ṣe, o máa dá padà. So mo dẹ̀ lọ síbẹ̀, mo gbé kini yẹn, but unfortunately for me, mi ò use kerosene stove láyé mi.
Okay.
So mi ò mọ bó ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́, bó ṣe operate. So bí mo ṣe gbé báyìí, kerosene a little bit dà sílẹ̀. So while I was holding it, housemate kan wá sọ fún other housemate say, bọ̀bọ́ yìí ti gbé stove yìí. And mind you, she now came to start dragging it with me. I was not the one, so I was holding it. She was the one that came to drag it from my hand. So like the show doesn't show you everything. And so if I begin to explain a lot of the things that happen on the show, you realize that there's a lot of nuance to the behaviors that you see. But at the same time, it's entertainment.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
The show.
Yeah.
But ẹ wá jẹ́ kí n tún béèrè èyí tó farapẹ́ ni pé níbẹ̀rẹ̀ ìdíje yẹn, níbẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀ àrí pé ẹ̀yin àti Imisi ẹ wọnú ara yín ẹ máa ń sọ̀rọ̀. Àmọ́ láàrin kan akọ̀rí pé ó change. Mo ní iná ìṣe bí iná NEPA. Wọ́n mú fèsì fuse yẹn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Mo rò pé ṣé ìgbà míì wà tó yẹ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń sọ́ọ̀sì pé ó lè má jẹ́ pé àmọ́ àbí Big Brother ló ní kẹ́ dẹ̀mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Àbó ní nǹkan kan tí Imisi ṣe fún yín ní táìmù yẹn. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ pé why ilẹ̀ yín báyìí war against indiscipline. ẹ ti understand like ẹ ṣé ó ní nǹkan kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ àti pé nísìnyí tẹ́ ti wá kúrò nínú ilé ṣẹ́yìn àti Imisi sì jọ ń ṣe.
Okay, so ní case yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ni tí nígbà tí show yẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀ I don't know if you watched it but I notice pé àwọn other housemates wọ́n tara sí Imisi bíi
bẹ́yìn ṣe.
And reason ni pé mo rí pé one push sí one side and I don't believe in that. Nobody should be left out. So situation yẹn now was why tẹ̀sẹ̀ ń ti ọmọ yìí sí ẹgbẹ́. So I then sọ̀rọ̀ àṣọ̀rẹ́ and it was great. Unfortunately mo wà very 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 strict pẹ̀lú boundaries mi. Mo wá sọ pé sí ọ̀rẹ́ ni mo fẹ́ mi ò fẹ́ kó lọ beyond ọ̀rẹ́.
Kí à ń ṣe kí n má lọ sí gbòpá.
So ọ̀rẹ́ ni mo
fẹ́. Ẹ fẹ́ máa ṣe collabo.
Yes.
Wow, wonderful.
So and if you watch the show multiple times ẹ máa rí pé our ní conversations ní
lánàá yẹn.
ní lánàá mo sọ pé look mo respect ẹ or are very talented ṣùgbọ́n mi ò fẹ́ nǹkan tó lọ beyond friendship. I respect so and the problem is maybe along the lines ibẹ̀yẹn misunderstandings yẹn wá bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Okay.
Because
shine the torch ẹ̀yin off the light. Ta ló tanná ta ló paná.
Ó wá rí pé ó wá dàbí pé mo wà very mean. Torí pé mi ò fẹ́ nǹkan
tó ń gbé bọ̀ wá fún.
And sometimes people handle rejection in different ways.
Okay. So
perhaps it wasn't taken the best way. But at the same time, I feel like the house here was very unique. The 1 week you spend there is like 2 months outside. Because you're seeing the person constantly, every day. In real life, we're once every month or 4 times a month.
So 4 times a year.
4 times exactly. So if if I reject you, it's very easy to even forget me. But imagine living in a house where you are seeing the person that did that to you.
Dr. Faith, and you reject your mom. And you reject your mom.
Another thing is, it doesn't take away from her as an amazing person. I agree, she's a beautiful woman. Okay. She's a talented woman. Okay. Fantastic woman. So please, that doesn't take away from that aspect. Okay. So it was just a personal preference.
Oda, ẹ jẹ́ ká wá lọ síbi pé wọ́n ní wà máa lọlé ìyẹn bí disqualification because ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn jà ràn nígboro àwọn èèyàn kan nígbàgbọ́ pé àbí torí pé kò kí ń gbà ó wà bossy ó rude ó ní pride irọ́ ní jàre èèyàn tó jẹ́ nìyẹn àwọn èèyàn kan ní rárá o pé understand pé ẹlòmíì wà tẹ́ pé tó bá ti sọ pé gbèǹdéke mi rèé o ẹ má kọjá ó dẹ̀ ready anything tó bá fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ kí gangan ló bí wà máa lọ léyìn. Was it from pride? Was it from pé bóyá àwọn èèyàn feel pé wàhálà yẹn ti pọ̀ jù pé òun ló ti fa gáàsì bí òun ló ti ṣe yẹn kí gangan àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ mọ̀ kí ló fa disqualification yẹn.
So issue yẹn fault mi ni in the sense that when you have an altercation with someone, reaction there, it's in your own power. So, bashing sorrow LA figon, sorry me. Reaction me, nite me. I can decide to say, I bring out my own gun and then I shoot you. If you go to a court of law, you had not done anything to me yet. Yes. It was my reaction. So now, my reaction in that scenario was what sent me home. Because in as much as I was I was stressed, we had a long time, everybody was pissed off, I was angry. But at the same time, when you drag a bucket from someone, nobody forced you to drag the bucket. So yes, there's context. There's a lot of things that happened before the bucket was dragged and all that stuff. But at the same time, it boils down to the fact that I dragged the bucket. And that was what happened.
One perceive as violence.
Yes,
violence.
But then I feel like that's why context is very important. Because anybody can drag a bucket from anybody.
So why don't drag?
Yes.
Ṣé fífa bucket tẹ́yìn wá fà yẹn làwọn èèyàn fi wá wò pé because nǹkan táwa rí ni pé bí pé gbogbo ilé wa gbìmọ̀ pọ̀ bí pé wọ́n gang up pé faith yẹn sẹ̀ aláàfẹ́ sẹ̀ àwọn wo lẹ lè sọ pé beyond gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ wọ́n sì jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ yín nínú ilé even níta tẹ̀wá báyìí sí.
Okay, so beyond FIFA buckets and every other thing.
You know FIFA buckets.
So mo ní àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ díẹ̀. Another thing tí mo believe ni pé show ti lọ àti jáde. I need another chance láti rewrite, story ta máa kọ fún ara wa. So mi ò gbé animosity àbí
gbé sọ́kàn.
Mi ò gbé sọ́kàn. That's not the kind of person I am. Àti jáde nínú house.
Okay.
So bí mo ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ fún yín báyìí, everybody ní house yẹn ni mo ní clean slate fún. Ọ̀rẹ́ ni most of us. Even during the reunion, a sọ̀rọ̀. Only àwọn kan tí mo ní ideas pẹ̀lú tí a fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ní future.
Okay.
So mo ní a few friends. Koyin, Dede, Joanna, Danari, Thelma, who else? A lot of people are my friends. Yeah.
Nísìn tá ti wá jáde, ó dùn sọ nísìn. Ṣé ó ní nǹkan kan tí àwọn èèyàn ṣó ní ipa kan tí àwọn èèyàn rí yín sí nínú ilé tẹ́ mọ̀ pé kò ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo rí àti pé báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ kí ni nǹkan àwọn nuance tẹ́ máa fẹ́ correct pé irú èèyàn báyìí ni mo jẹ́. Àwọn nǹkan báyìí tẹ́ rí nínú ilé tẹ́ lérò wípé báyìí ni rárá bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kan àmọ́ èmi rè. Because nínú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn sọ pé tolerate indiscipline ni mo ṣe pé yẹn wá ilé kan war against indiscipline. No, tá bá ti kúrò ní why àtúbọ̀ sí kai kick against indiscipline. So ẹ ṣàlàyé fún wa.
Okay, so àkọ́kọ́ ni idea pé mo ní ìgbéraga. Sincerely, ẹ lè béèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn tó ti ní one-on-one contact pẹ̀lú mi. Mo wà very down to earth. Okay. And reason ni pé mo believe say everybody deserves, everybody needs to have a chance to explore themselves. So entertainment ni show yẹn. And mo fẹ́ paint picture kan fún yín.
Okay.
Tẹ́ bá wo first 3 weeks show yẹn, ẹ máa rí pé àwọn èèyàn look down upon me. Torí pé first off, I'm not very tall. Second is mo wà very quiet. So narrative tí everybody wá sá pẹ̀lú ní nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìgbà tí mo wá stand up for ara mi. Torí wọ́n sọ pé mi ò ní jẹ́ kẹ́ máa lọ ride over me torí pé mo wà quiet or torí pé mo wà very humble, down to earth. No. So ìgbà tí mo quiet, nobody had a thing. Everybody was just chilling. But when I started speaking up for myself, suddenly everybody had a problem in the house. And then it was around that period I need more screen time. Okay. So narrative people want towards me period yeah. Oh. So what mọ̀ pé is a reaction. And then so I also believe that you should not paint a picture of someone based on what you watch Lori TV. In the real world, I'm someone that comes down to earth for anyone. Yes. So I can have a conversation with anyone. I believe everyone has brilliant ideas. I believe that humanity, everyone deserves, So the narrative of pride, Gbéraga, faith to King Boro, irony.
Because ìgbà tó ń sọ pé faith mo ní láì ṣe goat láì ṣe pé faith ewúrẹ́ ni ó ń gbọ́ràn ẹ stop ẹ̀ náà. A máa jẹ́ kí wọ́n bèrè lọ́wọ́ yín. Ṣé tí wọ́n bá fún yín ní opportunity mi pé okay o wá padà sínú house o ṣe máa gbà ṣe máa lọ?
Mo believe pé job mi ní house yẹn ti ṣe. Mo ti ṣe job mi ní house yẹn.
O ti kọ iṣẹ́ yín níbẹ̀ yẹn ti parí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Kì í pẹ́ máa gba second term ẹ̀yin lọ third term.
Mi ò ṣe second.
Àwọn kan jà sí fourth term lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́.
Yeah. But mo believe say pé iṣẹ́ mi ní house yẹn ti tán. And I also believe that mo wọnú house yẹn I learned a lot. Mo dàgbà nínú house yẹn. Ó ní àwọn kan tí mo rí, tí mo gbọ́, tí mo experience, tí mo wà very, very grateful for. Torí ó kọ́ mi ní pé àwọn èèyàn First off, what different?
Èèyàn yàtọ̀ lóríṣiríṣi.
Nigeria need characters. Only social experiments they gave me. And then the social experiment is an example of the sample size to Nigeria need. So it gave me the avenue to learn very fast social interactions. So I've done my part. I've grown and mi ò rò pé mo fẹ́ padà
sí bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́.
mi ò rò pé.
Ẹnu mọ́jọ́ mẹ́ta ìyá rí pé ẹ fi fọ́nrán kan ránṣẹ́ sórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára tí ẹ wà nínú gbọ̀ngàn nínú yàrá ìwòsàn nínú ilé ìwòsàn that you were in a hospital ẹ̀dẹ̀ ẹ̀mọ̀ àwa wò pé bóyá ẹ̀yin lẹ ń ṣe surgery àbẹ́ ń perform surgery fún yàn ṣé medical background yín ṣó shape bẹ̀ ṣe ń bá àwọn èèyàn relate nínú house àti níta house.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. So medical background mi ó very integrated pẹ̀lú excellence.
Okay.
Tẹ́ bá lọ show yẹn, tẹ́ bá ka history yẹn, kò sí anybody tó ti win amount of games tí mo win. Torí pé to be a doctor means you have a very good eye for precision, excellence, call to order. And our skills here, discipline, or translate gone sino task. So in fact, even Big Brother gave me commendation because see anybody totally lost show here, totally win 9 wagers straight.
Wow.
So it was a very, very big part of my existence. And other comic ways Timothy relates to our other doctors. It's not very acceptable with civilians. So be soldier mark say Sorosi soldier. It's not the same way that we talk to a civilian. So in medicine, your your consultant can be very strict with you. If you miss a question, they can tell you,
kilo wa ṣe
mí. Life won't deal with. It's very important. Unfortunately for me, mo wá gbé seriousness Tafin operate nínú game. So èmi náà mọ̀ pé tí n bá lè rewind time yẹn.
Tí bá lè dá owó aago padà sẹ́yìn.
Perhaps ó yẹ kí n reduce seriousness mi. Mo wà too serious.
But ṣé seriousness kan ló jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn tètè dá yín mọ̀ kán lè yọ yín láàrin ẹgbẹ́ pé seriousness eléyìí is not the regular.
Benny. So it's a
back on
méjì. So seriousness to help me stand out. Oh no. No one kick me out.
Voila for seriousness.
So but at the same time, the medical experience only shaped me. It's what made me. And it's what gave me the advantage I had there. Me or the regretter. So I've learned now that I need to manage it, but also keep that excellence.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe jẹ́ ọmọọba lọ́nà méjì, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ dárúkọ fún mi, mo mọ̀ pé ẹ lè lọ fà, ẹ kọ dárúkọ ọba 5 tẹ́ mọ àkọlé adé wọn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ látòrí grandpa.
Olúfi.
Olúfi ti
Gbọ̀ngàn.
Ti Gbọ̀ngàn ṣe ti rí. Ọmọọba ni o. Olúfi ti Gbọ̀ngàn ni grandfather àti wọn. Ó ṣe kíní. Ó yá ẹ fún mi ní kejì.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Ìlú wo lẹ fẹ́ dárúkọ?
Ọ̀ṣun. No, sorry. This thing. Yeah, the Ọ̀ṣun.
Ọ̀ṣun àwọn ọba wà lọ́ṣun.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Oh, King of mention state.
Ẹ kò dárúkọ àwọn ọbẹ. Okay, ẹ ti dárúkọ Olúfi ti Gbọ̀ngàn. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n yá yín nìkan a lè sọ pé Olúbàdàn ti Ìbàdàn.
Olúbàdàn Ìbàdàn. Okay.
Ẹ tún mú yẹn mọ́. Lónìí yẹn fún mi ti yín.
Olúfi Ìkàtè. Ìkàtè.
Ìkàtè ti bo.
Ibi, yeah.
Ọba wo ló wà Nkàtè?
Yes.
Elégùṣì ló wà Nkàtè.
Ọba Elégùṣì.
Okay. Ó dé ó ṣe méjì mo fún yín, ó dá number 3.
Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀.
Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀. Now you are coming.
Ọ̀wá of Egbaland.
Ọ̀wá Òbòkun.
Òbòkun, yeah.
Ọ̀wá Òbòkun ni. Ẹni Ọ̀wá of Egbaland.
That's there too, though.
No, that's not there. It's not there. Ọ̀wá Òbòkun. Ìlú yín náà Iléṣà. Òbòkun. Egbaland is Abẹ́òkúta. It's like this.
True.
Ẹ ti get it. Ó dá Ọ̀wá. Ẹ jẹ́ fún yín ní Ọ̀wá Òbòkun ṣe 4.
One more.
Medical school. ṣe ẹ mọ̀ pé Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ńkọ́?
Ọba Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́.
Ọba náà ni. Ẹ̀yin wa l'Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́, wọ́n lọ́ba Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ni o. Láàrin èmi àti ìyá mọ̀ pé Ṣàngó Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ni. Ẹ jẹ́ ká filẹ̀ fún wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n try, wọ́n gbìyànjú. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa fọwọ́ sí, ká máa fi júwe ilé bàbá wa. Ìtumọ̀ ni pé ká mọlé, kí a mọ àṣà àti ìṣe wa. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Yorùbá ń ṣe láwọn ibì kan tẹ máa dé, tẹ máa fọwọ́ sọ̀yà pé ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Bó ṣe wà náà ni. Ẹ wá jẹ́ kí n béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín. Àwọn values ní gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe mọ̀ pé irú ìdílé tẹ́ ti jáde. Ìdílé tí wọ́n máa ń ní ìbọ̀wọ̀ ni, ìdílé tí wọ́n máa ń tẹríba, ìyẹn ní ìdílé ọba. Ṣé ó nígbà kan rí tí ẹ máa wò pé bóyá nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ èmi prince values yín ṣé upbringing yín add sí àbí ńgbà tẹ́ dàgbà tẹ́ dẹni ara tí ń lé ọkùnrin no àwọn nǹkan tó kọ́ wa láti kékeré kò wọ́ọ̀kì mọ́ láyé tá a wà yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé ilé ká máa fi tẹ̀síwájú.
I mean, yeah. So, ó ní àwọn kan ní life mi torí pé mo wà ní certain group and bí mo ṣe dàgbà wọ́n sọ fún mi pé group always come before individual. Reason ni pé tí group bá dá individual máa dá. But tí èèyàn bá fi individual sí orí group selfishness yẹn and nǹkan tó máa lead sí corruption yẹn when someone takes themselves over the group. So there's situations in my life where I've been in a group mo dẹ̀ wà in charge and then mo dẹ̀ need láti probably share resources, take care of people. So the way I was raised, I always remember it in my mind that people should always be taken care of. People should always feel like they're in a system that believes in them and system tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn tó máa nítọ́jú wọn torí tí ẹ bá ṣe yẹn resentment máa build and then tí group bá ti ní resentment towards leader wọn kò lè ṣiṣẹ́.
wọ́n lè yá mọ́tò ẹ̀ gan.
So yeah, that's one of the situations where my upbringing has affected the way I approach groups.
Okay, ẹ wá jẹ́ kí n béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín púpọ̀ nú àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké ń sin àwọn ọ̀dọ́ náà ṣe ní àmọ́ bóyá àwọn tí wọn ò tí ì tó yín lọ́jọ́ orí wọ́n ti ń dá Faith Adewale mọ̀ pé ẹni yìí bí bọ̀bọ̀ yìí náà ṣe a lè sọ wípé nǹkan tó dáa ni kí wọ́n máa look out for ìyẹn ni àti ìkejì ṣé kò kí ń weigh yín down kò kí ń pọ̀ jù bóyá mentorship táwọn mo mọ̀ wípé àwọn máa ti máa reach out fún yín pé please mentor me guide me and all of that ṣé kò kí ń weigh yín down.
So bí mo ṣe rí ni pé opportunity àti privilege ni mo ní kí àwọn èèyàn máa look up sí mi. Although mo agree sometimes ó lè dàbí pé ó fẹ́ weigh down but mo máa ń fi sórí pé grace àti opportunity ni mo ní kí àwọn èèyàn fi rí mi as someone tó lè look up to. So number one nǹkan tó máa ń guide àwọn options mi àbí àwọn decisions mi nìyẹn torí mi ò mọ̀ pé to notice ó ní àwọn èèyàn tí mi ò lè ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú. Mi ò kí ń ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú alcohol brands, gambling brands. Reason ni pé mi ò believe pé àwọn brands yẹn ni mo fẹ́ kí àwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé mi.
Tó ń wò yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwòkọ́ṣe.
Yes. Unfortunately, àwọn brands yẹn ló máa ń sọ owó tó tóbi.
Tó pọ̀ jù.
Ó ní àwọn deals tí mo ti turn down tó ní serious cash. But question tí mo máa ń bára mi sọ ni pé and another problem I had in the house tí mo ṣì ní principle. Tí mo bá if I tell you today.
Ìpinnu.
Yes. Tí mo bá sọ pé mo ò ní ṣe nǹkan mi ò ní ṣe. Tí mo bá sọ pé nǹkan tí mo believe ni bí brain mi máa ṣiṣẹ́ mi ò mọ̀ but tí mo bá believe ni nǹkan tí mo bá sọ pé clean ni mo máa ṣe tibẹ̀ ni mind mi máa ṣe. And mo ti sọ fún wa pé ní industry kò sí bí things máa bàjẹ́ tó.
Kò sí bó ṣe lè wù kó burú tó.
Mi ò ní gba endorsement influencing from alcohol or gambling torí pé mo mọ consequence tó máa ń pàdé health wise alcohol ò dáa fún yín. Mo ti rí social impact, destruction of families. Only situations, gambling, ti báyé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ ní industry or even outside Nigeria. So àwọn kìíní, so torí mo mọ̀ pé àwọn children máa look up towards me. Mo owe wọn ní responsibility yẹn.
Wow.
I owe them that.
Yeah.
And then,
that's so thoughtful.
It is. And if I can succeed, ó dájú fún wọn pé tí faith bá lè ṣe,
àwọn náà
àtayọ sí. And it's not easy. Kò easy.
Torí owó là ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
Kò easy.
Ó dẹ̀ pé orúkọ yín ló fẹ́ máa ṣiṣẹ́ níbí báyìí gbàgbọ́ pé mo ṣáà nígbàgbọ́ pé no matter how jungle dry reach, lion no go chop grass. But ẹ ń rówó.
Yes.
Ẹ dẹ̀ ń rí principle.
So it's a so mo believe pé ó ní àwọn nǹkan tí mo need láti gbé sórí. Torí pé àwọn èèyàn wà lábẹ́ mi tó ń wò kẹsẹ̀ hàn kí ni faith ń ṣe kí ló believe me. So yes.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n bèrè lọ́wọ́ yín àwọn wo ló wà ń bẹ̀ fún yín kó tó di pé ẹ di ìlú mọ̀ọ́ká kẹ́ tó di public figure tẹ́ mọ̀ wípé ipa táwọn people yìí kó nu ayé mi ì lè gbàgbé láyé tí Jésù àfìdí.
Okay, so family mi number one. Ìyá mi àti bàbá mi wọ́n ti ṣe so much for me, but I really appreciate one. Till today, watching she it was serious for me. Only professors, supporters, even family friends. Our doctor Timoni as mentors. Dr. Dia, only people to Miss White, Dr. Waje, owner Atlantis Pediatric Hospital, Mr. Shegun, Page CEO Bank. Only many àwọn èèyàn pọ̀ tí mo look up to torí àwọn èèyàn yìí ní times tí ayé mi ti probably stressful or tí mi ò mọ nǹkan tó máa ṣe wọ́n ti advice me.
Láwọn ìpèníjà kankan.
Yes. So and these people wọ́n ti create nǹkan láti nothing. So àwọn èèyàn tí mo máa ń look forward to and say I want to be this kind of person. So that's that.
Ṣé lẹ́yìn iṣẹ́ medical doctor yìí ẹ ti sọ pé bí ọdún kan sí díẹ̀ lẹ́lò ṣé iṣẹ́ medical doctor ló jẹ́ kẹ́ máa volunteer kẹ́ máa ṣe ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ fáwọn èèyàn kẹ́ máa fira yín sílẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bíi pé okay o àwa là ń lọ tọ́jú àwọn aláìsàn bí and all of that ṣé ìdí medicine lẹ ti bá yẹn àbí nǹkan tẹ́ ti ń ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ kẹ́ tó wọnú medicine àti pé ibo la wà lórí yẹn ń sìn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń ṣe àbí ìlú mọ̀ọ́ká ti gbà lọ́wọ́ yín.
So mo ti ń ṣe láti pàtí mo wà ní kékeré. So from I'm a volunteering I'm okay. So I'm a see schools, I'm a distribute package. Before mo jẹ́ doctor.
Kẹ́tọ́ di doctor.
Yes, mo ti volunteer. Torí family values tí mo ní ni pé ó dá kéèyàn give back. So nǹkan tí mo fi dàgbà nìyẹn. Ìgbà tí mo wá jẹ́ doctor, ó wà even more important because never believe it or not, only large percentage in Nigeria tí wọ́n lówó láti sanwó healthcare. So àwọn people bẹ́ẹ̀ a máa lọ fún wọn, help them, assist them, and even now, so only to some extent tí Ọlọ́run ti bless me, and láti blessings yẹn, a máa mo máa ń ṣe àwọn kan díẹ̀díẹ̀. So last year, only nǹkan tá a ṣe fún few families, I think 100 families.
Wow.
I love feed 100 families. Very important.
Ọgọ́rùn ẹbí.
Yes.
Wow.
Even mo lọ Ghana, mo ṣe kan fún maternal families. Torí only àwọn ìyá kan tó ní children tí bàbá wọn ti probably want to kún or wọn sá lọ or something. Women, you are very vulnerable. So I lọ take care wọn yẹn. I fún wọn ní donation, I fún wọn ní support. Only go.
You got there were vulnerable.
Even so, mo dé lọ Liberia. I love the biggest hospital in Liberia.
Wow.
So I did a thing where I want fans me one point when faithfuls.
Okay.
Amazing people. So
faithful, loyal, honest.
Yeah. So we did a thing where we went to St. John's Hospital. Wow. And then we were able to give to their infant moms, and because I think life is very important, and you can't take advantage. Sorry, you can't put a price on life, and not everyone has access to that. So only one cause even other things don't share, but Ellie sọ everything.
Tí lè sọ fún wa a máa fúnra wa rí àbí.
And goal me ní near future. Mo fẹ́ ní hospital tèmi.
Wow, incredible. Amen.
So
àwa rí gàdàgbà báyìí Faith Adewale Hospital.
No, the Faithful Hospital.
The Faithful like the Faithful ṣàtìrì. Ẹ fi lóyè and honest kún.
But yes, it's something I hope to keep doing too. So.
Okay, lákòótán ẹ jẹ́ kí n wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín. Ibi tí ẹ ti bára yín nísìn, ẹ ti sọ àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe síwájú sí. Níbi tá a bá dé yìí, ṣé a lè sọ wípé iṣẹ́ social work yìí ẹ ti ló máa continue, iṣẹ́ medical doctor á continue. Now social integration iṣẹ́ tẹ́ tó ń ṣe gbogbo àwọn iṣẹ́ afẹ́fẹ́ media work, social media and all of it, ṣé yẹn náà tún máa continue àbí ẹ lérò wípé tó bá yá iṣẹ́ media kankan yìí ó lè wáwọ́ o kí iṣẹ́ méjì humanitarian àti iṣẹ́ ìwòsàn kó lè gbèrú sí.
So
àbí mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta máa jọ ṣe pọ̀ forever and ever nìyẹn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, so only mo believe pé Ọlọ́run fún ìyá mi ní orúkọ mi ní faith, very intentional. I believe I can do anything. I have so much faith in myself. And I believe that gbogbo opportunities tí Ọlọ́run ti fún mi, tó bá òun ló fún mi ní opportunity yẹn, òun náà ló máa fún mi ní agbára yẹn kí n fi gbé everything. So I have faith that I can do all things.
Hebrews 11:1.
Yes.
Faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen.
So, so goal mi ni pé mo fẹ́ di global brand. Mo fẹ́ continue humanitarian work mi. Mo sì fẹ́ dé nínú media work. And then definitely my medical side will still be my foundation. So mi ò mọ̀. If I don't know how it will happen, but job mi ni pé mo máa show up every day. Mo máa ṣe Timbole.
Yes. Play your part.
And then God will do the rest.
Torí tá bá ní ká wo gan fáwọn producers, directors, àwọn tó yẹ kẹ́ máa cast for medical doctor lélẹ̀. Mo rántí wípé wọ́n cast bọ̀dá kan fún medical doctor níjọ́ kìíní àná. Terminology gan ó wúwo lẹ́nu wọn. Medical terms wúwo lẹ́nu wọn. So nígbà míì bóyá tẹ́ bá ń pe àwọn doctor, okay, original doctor tán actor. Come act in the movie. Bóyá kò bá dá. Àmọ́ pátápátá ṣó ní nǹkan kan táwa ọmọ Nigerians ń ṣe. Tẹ́yìn dókítà tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé fọlọ́run ṣọ́ọ̀rẹ́ o ẹ̀ tún fẹ́ wí ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ gọ̀pẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká fi lé enlighten gbogbo wa lápapọ̀. Is there something or a pattern or a behaviour that Nigerians have that you people as medical doctors know that your lifespan will not go far with this?
So only joke kan tí ọ̀rẹ́ mi máa sọ pé àwọn tó máa lówó ní medicine làwọn tó ní kidney dialysis center. Torí pé ó ní àwọn kan tí a máa ń consume gbogbo soft drinks, gbogbo candy, alcohol. Body yẹn ní limit for purification. And your kidney does a lot of work for you. Ó ní àwọn nǹkan tí a máa ń consume. Even to some extent, kò ṣe gbogbo skincare tó dáa. Àwọn organic
skin. Kò ṣe gbogbo skincare ló dáa.
No, kò ṣe gbogbo skincare ló dáa. And body, so ó ní àwọn nǹkan tí a máa ń fi sára. She body need láti detoxify. And because we overconsumption, we consume everything. Yes. So, we do a lot, we stress our kidneys a lot. So I believe that people need to tone down on their consumption of a lot of commercial substances. In fact, chill out, drink water, eat fruits. Your diet, it's very important. So that's that regarding
Dr. Adewale say, Prince Dr. Faith Adewale, ní àkótán, wọ́n ní drink water and mind your business. Reduce some consumption. Àwọn nǹkan tá à ń jẹ, bóyá nǹkan tá a fi ń para, ọtí líle, ẹlòmíì á gbé ìgò ọtí kan, á tún máa sọ wípé èmi mo ti jẹ ní lọ. Jẹ́ ká try. Àwọn ìgò 43%, 40%. Wọ́n dẹ̀ dàdí ọ̀gọ̀rọ̀ gbagba. Wọ́n tọrọ kidney fún yín o. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ń lo kidney ewúrẹ́. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ń lo kidney àgùntàn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Because okay, ó lè ti gbọ́ lẹ́nu doctor yẹn o. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n kọ́kọ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín pé nínú àìráyè yín ẹ wáyè láti wá dáwọn olólùfẹ́ yín lóòótọ́ tí tó ju bí ọjọ́ mẹ́ta náà tán ti ń pè yín ẹ̀bùn pàtàkì tí wọ́n ní ká gbé wá fún yín lóòótọ́ wọn ní ẹ̀bùn yín kéré fọ́mọ ọba fún doctor ní rárá ìfẹ́ ni inú ògbàlà yóò gba ìfẹ́ tẹ̀yin náà ní ta fi pè yín tẹ́ fi wálẹ̀ fi máa bá wa gbà á o láti ọ̀dọ̀ aláṣà tó lè darí iléeṣẹ́ wa. Is what?
It's the thoughts that matter.
Àwọn olóyìnbó láì fún ọ̀rá
Ẹ ṣé gan.
tó táwọn jẹ́ kí n bí reunion yẹn kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ mí ìjà wá sí
You know
kí ni.
ẹ máa dúró ẹ máa wò ẹ máa enjoy it, but basically nothing much.
ṣé mi sì padà kí sí.
What the fuck?
Sorry about that. Because láti inú ilé ọmọ mi fẹ́ ṣàbùjẹ ọmọ ẹ̀gbẹ́ni sá bóyá reunion ó yẹ kókò mórí yín bẹ́ẹ̀ kókò faith.
Ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Humans ni wá. So adẹ want kìíní tí.
À ń sọ yìí medically gan náà kìíní tá à ń sọ yìí ó dáa fara.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Àbí ẹ̀yin ṣe wá ń sá ọmọ gbé wá bá yín ó gbé wá ṣàkámọ́ fún yín kó jẹ́ pé ṣe wàhálà o òun ló fúnra rẹ̀ wá bá yín o. Abẹ́ láìkí ẹ̀.
She's an amazing person.
Ẹ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan yìí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Lẹ́yìn amazing kò ẹ rí bí pé lè gbá tó aside. Big brother wedding dẹ̀ ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Bam Bam and Teddy.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ ọmọ méjì ló ti jáde.
Fantastic.
Oh no, ẹ tún check o, ẹ tún ro. Imisi. Over to you. Tó bá padà tó bá wọ̀nyí kẹ́ sọ pé no. Call us, we will follow you there. A máa lọ dáná wọn ni by fire by force. Ẹ̀yin wọn lórí ètò yìí mọ́mọ́ ẹ̀yin àgbàlagbà náà lẹ́ni kì í dùn kó pọ̀ ṣókí báyìí lọ́bẹ̀ oge ohun wa ká máa bá lọ ká máa sọ lọ ká máa sọ lọ ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ lóòótọ́ àmọ́ àní kú òǹbí. Olódífá fún dókítà ọmọọba Faith Adewale tí wọ́n ti sọ nǹkan kan tó jẹ́ nǹkan gbòógì tèmi náà rí dìmú ẹjọ́ ní gbogbo nǹkan tá a bá ń ṣe ẹ jẹ́ ká tọ́jú ara wa ara yìí náà la fi ń ṣiṣẹ́ owó tá a bá lówó ọ̀hún tán ara yìí náà la tún fẹ́ nà sí àmọ́ tó bá wá tọ́jú ara ẹ̀ tó dẹ̀ fẹ́ lọ ṣe wàhálà owó ibo ló wá fẹ́ nà sí o jàre brother mi sister mi ẹ jẹ́ ká prioritize taking care of ourselves ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti omi mímu tẹ́ bá ti mọ mi iye tó kù máa wà òkè fún yín orúkọ tèmi Oyípadà Olúwadámilọ́lá Ọmọbánirẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ìdùnnú àti ayọ̀ ká fi pàdé níjọ́ mìíràn ẹjọ́ ẹ̀yin òbí ìtọ́jú àwọn ọmọ ó di ọwọ́ yín bóyá ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti máa sọ wípé ẹ jẹ́ ká máa bí ìwọ̀n ọmọ tá a bá lè tọ́ nítorí kò sẹ́ni tó mọjọ́ ọ̀la ohun èèyàn míì kò bímọ 10 lóòótọ́ àmọ́ tí Adéyanjú ò bá sínlé ibo lẹ fẹ́ gbégbà tó bá jẹ́ pé 3 ló mọ̀ pé mentally physically financially ló ready fún ló lè tọ́ ló lè ṣe wàhálà lórí ẹ̀ àǹtí mi jọ bí 3 yẹn dáàdi wá láìkí ọmọ ló jẹ́ kí n bí dọ́sìn kan ara àwa obìnrin ló ń fàbọ̀ sí o ọkùnrin ebi mọ kú o àbí ọkùnrin pùṣìrí lójú yín the rate of maternal mortality cases ó tún increase ẹjọ́ ẹ̀yin dáàdi wa dẹ̀rẹ̀ tẹ́ bá ti rí pé ó ti stand ẹ ti fi sínú ibì kan ẹ ti dà síbẹ̀ ẹ ṣàmójútó ibi tẹ́ dá nǹkan sí ẹ má kàn fi ìpè ẹkàn rí freezer kan ẹkàn kákàmù síbẹ̀ kákàmù kàn máa dàgbà you people should be involved in this thing o because the society needs a better place for everybody to thrive. Bye bye.